I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you find yourself with a suspended Reddit profile, don't you worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Understand the suspension reason. Before taking any action, check your email for a notification from Reddit explaining why your account was suspended. This will guide your next steps. Step 2. Visit the Reddit Help Center. Go to the Reddit Help Center and navigate to the account suspension section. This page contains valuable information about the recovery process. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Use the appeal form provided in the Help Center to submit your request for account recovery. Be sure to include all relevant details and any evidence that supports your case. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. Reddit support team may take some time to review your case and respond. Check your email regularly for updates. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you don't hear back within a week, consider sending a follow-up message through the Help Center. Sometimes, support requests can get overlooked. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck, and I hope you get your profile back soon.